Okay, today I'm going to be showing you how to Google search something and save a picture from a Google search. So you start by opening up a web browser, and some people have this preset, but in case you don't, to go to Google, you type in this bar up at the top. The website is google.com. And then that will bring up this search engine. And so whatever you want to find a picture of, you can search it. So I'm going to do a Google search for flowers because I would like a picture of some flowers. And then this will bring up, when you type that in and click enter, a list of results of lots of everything the internet could find that involved flowers. We want pictures, so we're going to go to images and click on that, and it should bring up images. Now, I like this one, so what I'm going to do is left click, which will bring open this box of things that I can do with this image, and I am going to copy image, and that will allow me to double click somewhere else and paste it.